PPO's smart imaging system combines hyperspectral imaging, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics to find very small, low-density foreign materials in your product stream. Legacy detection systems, such as X-ray and metal detection, aren't effective for the wide variety of foreign objects that are difficult to see in a fast-moving poultry production line. The result? Processors are faced with lost product, brand damage, and even costly recalls. PPO's smart imaging system uses hyperspectral imaging to see what other systems miss, including plastic, cardboard, wood, and more, down to very small sizes. Proven on bacon processing lines, the system uses advanced AI and machine learning to detect contaminants with high accuracy, and real-time inline analysis ensures rejections can be viewed immediately without slowing down production. Designed to work in harsh environments, PPO's smart imaging system is proven where it matters most, on the plant floor. Its watertight, fully sealed design withstands the toughest washdown routines and all common sanitation practices.
PPO exceeded expectations. It's proven to be a substantial but worthwhile investment.
Working with the smart imaging system, PPO Insight software provides real-time, line-level data with an easy dashboard to track quality metrics and foreign material incidents.
PPO helps with woody breast sorting, reducing odd fillets and customer complaints. These FMs would have always been in our product. There's no other way to find them except with a PPO system.
Proven foreign material detection for poultry processors. Learn more at ppo.ca.